let this just, time your brushing, because that 2 minutes you're supposed to brush, people underestimate how long that is. And when you're brushing your teeth, 2 minutes actually feels like a lifetime. Hello, this is Dental Chinwag. I'm back with top tips on what you will need for that perfect home care routine for your teeth. Any advice or tips that you are able to gather from this video is my personal opinion. You do not need to change anything to accommodate these tips or advice if whatever you're doing at home is already working for you. Let's get into today's videos. Now, what tools do I need for that perfect home care? For the first tool, you will need a toothbrush. A toothbrush can be a manual brush like this one, or it could be an electric toothbrush. There are different types of electric toothbrush, but here I have got the one that rotates, which is this one. The purpose of using a toothbrush is to remove all the plaque. Now, plaque are all those white deposits that you can actually scrape off that stay on your teeth when you clean them or when you don't clean them. The next thing you will need is a fluoride toothpaste. Now, did I hear you ask, why fluoride? Can I not just use all them coconut non-fluoridated toothpaste? Now, I will tell you, the fluoride toothpaste, like that one, you should always check the label to make sure it's got enough fluoride for your age. Now, the reason why I am emphasizing on the fluoride is because fluoride helps remineralize and strengthen your enamel. Basically, it adds a protective layer against those invading bacteria. If you haven't watched my video on what happens when you don't brush your teeth, there will be the link over there. Just click on the link. The third tool will be an interdental cleaning aid. An interdental cleaning aid, as the name implies, is something that you would have to use to clean between your teeth. Now, you need to remember, when you brush your teeth, the toothbrushes don't actually go between your teeth. So you need something to clean between your teeth, and this is where the interdental aids come in. Now, an interdental aid could be a dental floss, and a dental floss come in different variety. You can get a floss in a box. All you need to do is to reel this out, take as much as you want, and then use that in between your teeth. The floss on a stick, I tend to call this a floss set. You do not use this end, okay? You use this end with the floss. Whatever floss you are using, all you need to do will be to wrap it in a C shape around the size of each tooth and gently shimmering it up and down. The other type of interdental cleaning aid that you can get are the interdental brushes. Now, I've got a couple here, and this ones, they come in different sizes. This one is a long-handled interdental or interproximal brush, and it's got interchangeable heads. Now, the interdental brushes, what you need to know about them is they come in different sizes, and the sizes that you will be using would be determined by the amount of space you've got in between your teeth. The other thing I would like to talk about is the water flosser or the air flosser or the water pick. Now, basically, a water pick is an interdental cleaning aid. I don't know if you've heard or seen this before. This is the brand Water Pick, Water Flosser. There are different varieties on the market, and I like this one because it's cordless. I don't have to deal with cords, and you can fill this compartment with whatever water you want. You can use warm salty water, you can use mouthwash, or you can just use plain water. All you need to do is to turn it on and point it into the area you want it to clean. Obviously, it has to be between your teeth, and turn it on, and then that blasts between your teeth. If you're trying to keep your teeth extra clean, you may want to invest in a water flosser. This is especially helpful if you have problems with your wrist movement, maybe people who are arthritic or people who've got Parkinson's, they've got like unsteady hands and they can't really hold onto a floss or an interdental brush to clean between their teeth. This would give them enough grip and, allow them still do the interdental cleaning. If you've also got braces, or you've got a dental bridge, a dental implant, or you've got gum disease, This would help. Adding a water flosser to your routine. Now remember, this has to be in addition to, not as a replacement for regular flossing. So what I'm trying to say is you still need to do your flossing or your interdental cleaning. Even when you have this, you cannot replace your interdental flossing or your interdental brushing with just the water pick. You have to use them together. The next tool you would need is a disclosing tablet. These tablets are typically used to teach kids proper brushing technique. However, its use is now for all ages. Now, the Plaque disclosing tablets, which is what I have here, can help you improve your regular routine by showing you the areas that you've missed. So after brushing, all you need to do will just be to, take one and chew it up, squish it around your mouth, and then spit it out. It will then dye up those plaque that has been left on your teeth, so you see where you need to clean whenever you do your home care routine. The disclosing tablets are really good, especially for children who are still learning how to actually use the wrist motion when they're cleaning. I tend to use this on a weekly basis, usually weekends, for my kids, and there has been a fantastic improvement in their brushing. Like, I don't have to go over their brushing. A tongue cleaner. Now, not everyone is a big fan of the tongue cleaner, but I am a big fan of a tongue cleaner. You need a tongue cleaner or a tongue scraper, and a tongue scraper comes in a plastic or a metal. So some people prefer the metal one because they feel that it's like heavy duty. It does the scrubbing and the scraping really well. But here I've got the plastic tongue scraper. It looks like a spoon. A tongue scraper removes those extra particles, including the ones that can cause you bad breath, from the surface of your tongue, and that is why it's called a tongue scraper. Lastly, you would need a timer. So I've got this timer on a suction cup. This times for 3 minutes, and this has worked really well in my house. All you need to do with a suction cup would be to just stick this close to the sink and flip it around when you're ready to brush. Let this just, time your brushing, because that 2 minutes you're supposed to brush, people underestimate how long that is. And when you're brushing your teeth, 2 minutes actually feels like a lifetime. So this is the last tool that you would need to order for your perfect home care routine. If you do have any questions at all about anything that is teeth related or dental related, please use the comment section. If you haven't subscribed yet to my video, please click on the subscription button as well as the notification bell so you are notified whenever I upload. Until my next upload, take care of yourself, and remember, get ordering your tools so that when I upload my videos, you will then be able to follow my routine and practice it. Thank you very much for watching, and bye.